Today we're going to be demonstrating the single leg step down exercise. This is one of our favorite exercises to improve balance, build single leg strength, and eccentrically strengthen our quadricep and patellar tendon. So this is a really great exercise if you're having a little bit of tension along the front side of your knee, maybe right under that kneecap. We want to eccentrically strengthen that tendon so it can be strong enough to support the activities that you want to do. To perform, all you're going to need is a step. We'll be using these yoga blocks, so go ahead and grab your step and let's get started. Before we get started, the first thing we want to consider is the height of the step that we will be using. So if you're not feeling very strong or confident in your knee yet, or maybe you're having a good amount of pain in that knee, I would recommend starting with a smaller step. So that's why we like these yoga blocks, because you can kind of stack them, but you can really use anything. Just find something that's maybe 3 to 4 inches high. If you are feeling strong or confident or not having that much pain and really want to challenge yourself and push yourself with this exercise, all you need to do is find a taller step or use a taller step. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 2 blocks. And to perform the exercise, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is start by taking a step up on the block. You're going to lift your opposite toe up and then slowly lower down to tap the heel and press back up. So just a few things to keep in mind here. 1, we want this movement to be slow and controlled. It's not how fast you can do this movement. The second is, again, it's making sure that you're just tapping that heel on the ground. So it's not coming all the way down and putting my weight and then pressing back up. I'm really just slowly coming down to tap the heel here and press back up. And then the last thing is really make sure that your hips stay level. So you don't want to let your hips drop like that. You want to maintain a nice strong position and really control that movement all the way down. So there you have it. That's the single leg step down. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.